I'm Jim, that's Brody. I'll be riding one of the horses, which would be him. You're the good horsey. Get a closer shot now. Day.
As you can see, this video will be posted on internet.
YouTube.
Thank you for practicing, which means youtube.com. And you'll go from there. As you watch and enter the little show, then we'll talk more. I hope you have a pleasant time. Our Talcoodle producer, which would be Brody Pathley, and I'm Jim Jester. We will be doing this video. Hope you have a good time, good listening. Brody, could you hold it here for 1 second?
Yes.
In there.
Okay.
Why I do something. He's getting on my nerves and I'm gonna smack him. A good one.
Stay.
Cody, go. Move him up. Scram, go, crap.
I didn't ask you to do this. I didn't ask you to do this. No, I'm not good with animals. Of course. Cody, stay. Okay. Cody. Farm. As you can see, this is a farm. And this is a shed. Of course it's a shed. Sorry for some loud action. Look at those nice hooves. Look at the hair.
And if you thought that was funny, then you're all stupid.
Man, don't be so mean. I'm zooming in.
Zoom out.
Nope, you can't see it from this.
This gets so hard.
Yeah, that's a 4 up there.
And I'm one of the famous and greatest riders.
No, you're not. Just joking.
I don't mean by famous, but I mean I'm a great one.
Bees.
I heard that.
I said bees.
Oh, what a good thing.
Look at those creatures. They're hoping.
Don't worry about bees, please. No. No.
There's gonna be some long video.
It's not going to be too much longer. Unless I say it. Okay? Come on. Have a great time.
So you guys gotta. Look at that rider. Sorry, Jim isn't this cruel or anything. He's not cruel. He just gets mad at his horse.
Pick it up.
Okay.
Oh! I'm a great rider and jumper. I do ride horses. This will be 2 more jumps and that's it. Last jump of the day. Please watch last preview.
Ew.
This will be last jump. If I can get him to do it. Promise.
Here he comes. Woohoo! Yes, sire.
Hi, I'm Jim. I'm one of the greatest riders. And I am Muzzy of the Horse Whisper. No offense. Well, that's my job, so if you need me to talk, need me to have a talk, please email me at jimdigester2000 at yahoo.com about a horse, and we'll go from there. Thank you. I'm Jim Jester. This is Cody Jester, my pony. I do ride horses, and this is my technical producer,
Brody.
Brody Pathley. Show yourself, Brody.
Hello. Now
So-
let's preview the horse.
Have a great time, and thank you.
Okay, never mind. Bye.